stop drinking down your name. And all you keep on saying is how this music made us change. And honestly, this fighting just keeps worsening the pain. Dysfunctional relationships are the ones that say the same. But is it worth it to make you worth it? Yet my heart says you deserve it. Yet you know that we should burn it. And right now I can't really word it, but maybe this is the best thing or that worst time of my life. I used to picture us together with some kids, a house, my wife. But it's just a fantasy, and I'm glad to see you really have found your way. Haven't talked to you in a couple days, and hopefully you're doing okay. And things happen for a reason, that's what you always say. So tell me the reason why your name is on my phone when it vibrates. So we'll just wait and see what it's meant to be. Never really want for monogamy, well not anymore anyway. And you know you made me that way, and I really wish you had stayed. Left me here alone awake, I'm just sitting here until late, and I'm just drowning down your name away. Can't stop thinking, can't stop drinking. I need your name out of me. Can't stop thinking, can't stop drinking. I need your name right out of me. Need every thought out right now. Cause every time I hear a beat, only your name just keeps on blurting out. Not saying that I hate it, but when I look at you, yeah, I'm falling down so helplessly. I guess I'm consumed, but we could never last. And you know that these moments last, so we go back to the arguments and the shit before. I don't even wanna go back. No need to be so serious. Your anger makes you delirious. Would you let me inside? It's cold outside sometimes. I hope you're hearing this. Too broken to think we're gonna last, but I know this moment's gonna last. Let's just watch the sun go down and crash, and all these feelings in the trash. Nothing stays the same, I just keep drinking down your name. And if you're hearing this right now, you'd probably think that I'm insane. But I'm not insane, just know that I only want you to go. Yet my pen and pad and these lyrics never seem to let you go. So while you're sipping on your wine, I'll be drinking here tonight. Empty bottles on my tables till I think I feel too light. Damn. Can't stop thinking, can't stop drinking.
Alright guys, so I'm in our base right now. You can see that there's a lot of stuff that we've been doing and has gotten finished. You can also see our fash. We have a lot of claims right now. But I'll start inviting some ults. Issei and Rafi are pretty much the only ones who have been helping and are playing kind of actively. So that's fine. Minimessi didn't really want to play, but he gets on. And he gets on sometimes to give us kits and stuff like that. So yeah, you can also see that we have potion ingredients and brewing stuff, and I will name this later. We can see speed, fire resistance, strength. So as well as we have 3 Wither Kings in our faction, so we have kit, potion, and everything. So you know, we don't need to buy a lot of pots because it's pretty expensive. It's like $200 for like 1 instant health. And I haven't finished this part yet, but you can see that Issei has been naming all of the blocks, and that's like lost map. That was pretty much what I was struggling to do because it took so long. So I really appreciate that. It was really nice of them. You can also see the shaders pretty hot. So, come on, let me get some glowstone if I have some. This is so dark, so depressing. Alright, like that. Alright, so, and he also named gapples. It's not gapples, but it's golden apples, you know. And shovels. We have a lot of stuff to be like this new faction. And so yeah, you can also see we have a lot of armor since we haven't started PvPing yet, but we will eventually. And we don't really have a moneymaker yet until now because I bought this blaze spawner in an auction. And the Mineage also had a beacon, so as well as the beacon, I will probably give it away tomorrow. That's Friday, if this video is uploaded Thursday, which is tomorrow. So I will be making a video then, because it's my birthday, as probably not a lot of you know, but and I just thought of it as a good occasion. So yeah, and this is my ender chest. It's not a lot of stuff. I have just some few kits, cave spider, 4 apples, and then 1 beacon that I will sell eventually. But what we'll do now is that we will go up there. I have a setum there. It's called home grind. Oh god, grindy one. There. So I will put in the place spawner, and yeah, I think I recorded most of building this, so you already know, I guess. Home grinder. Yeah. Alright, forgot. I'll just put it up here. Alright, and then let's get the fuck out. While I have been offline, is that what the fuck? Is that they have built a bit on the whatever. That they have built this, which is pretty cool, if I can say so. It's carpet. Oh, I just found out. But yeah, we have a blaze spawner, which is pretty awesome. You can see also my balance is 29,000. So I have a bit of money, and I also have 2 beacons, so I'll sell one and give, you know, to do the giveaway tomorrow probably. And so yeah, we'll get money for another one. My faction are just saving up, and yeah, I think we're pretty much done. I have to sort all this out. The others in the faction has sorted like most of it out already, but I have to finish it. But what we'll do is that we're gonna do some PvP. They have also brewed some pots, some instant tiles and stuff like that. So I guess we'll just do some PvP to finish off the episode. I think, yeah, we need to brew some regeneration. So I will do that, and then I'll come back to you to when, yeah, you know, when we're gonna do the PvP. Alright guys, so we're just gonna do some PvP now at War PvP. Oh, what the fuck is this?
Shift.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. Alright, so should we drop down here, or should we wait?
No. Wait for it.
Okay.
Wait, oh shit.
TP.
Alright, so TPA Wrathy. I'm gonna get punched down.
Oh, did someone won the slot machine?
Yeah, but it's 10k only.
Okay. Oh, I see someone. Oh, okay.
I haven't. He jumped down.
Okay, that's fine.
Behind you, there's a guy.
So
There's a guy behind you.
oh shit. I can
fuck
shoot
him
this
up.
shit. Where? Oh, found him. Yeah, I need help. Oh, dude. Whoa, sword.
Is his sword good?
Oh, he's dead. We got him. GG.
Oh well. I'll get the noobs. Right, get it. Get it.
It's only king, so it's fine.
Really? Oh fuck. Yeah, but it was a Sue sword though. He's back. Let's fuck him up.
He's back? Where is he?
No, I killed him. It was an iron. Holy shit, so many pots. What pots do I want?
Okay. Oh, he had a golden. Okay, I thought that was Gapple. Actually, I'll
Alright.
just save King. Because we don't really need it, but I'll just save it. Yeah,
Okay.
be careful, because noobs are gonna...
It's just sorry.
Oh, dude, that was laggy. Yeah, but noobs are gonna jump down and say, oh, there's someone here. Oh, whoa.
What the heck? He's hacking. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm lagging. Holy.
Yeah, it's probably you. Okay, let's get the fuck out. Oh, there's a guy
Let's
here.
go, bitches. There is? Okay, I'm coming.
Lol, he's dying. Back in the hole. Ready?
Yep, I'm botting up.
Oh shit, there's another guy here.
I'm lagging. Oh my god. Am I dead?
No. They're wearing
Okay.
kind of crap armor. He jumped down in the right hole. He hasn't even potted up.
This guy. Oh,
He's
this
gonna
guy's
die. Holy shit.
I'm going for
Wait,
the
I don't have fire rest. Shit. If I'm like really struggling because of the fire rest, I'll just pop a gapple.
Alright.
Oh well. I'm putting up. It's a fucking super sword.
Oh, he died. Where is he? Oh, let me take his armor. Oh, noobs.
I killed him.
Oh, that guy had, yeah. Oh, no, he had a Wither King set. GG. Oh my god. Yeah, noob. Oh my god, these noobs.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
Pro 3. That's
Get
fine.
it before, unpicking.
Alright.
I'm guessing, yeah,
Easy.
I'm guessing it's a Wither King set.
Die.
Oh, that. I'll actually save it. Oh.
Do we need Pro 3?
I mean, yeah, Pro 3, we can save it, because I can combine them, and then we can get Pro 4. So sure. Why not? Oh my god, really?
I want to kill him. Oh shit, there's a guy here.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm just...
Oh well, rip.
You died?
Shash, no, not me. This other guy.
Okay, I'm hoping this guy doesn't...
Oh shit. Oh well.
Okay, I'm coming.
Help.
Coming. Where are you?
I'm down in warp PP. Ah, I'm fucking popping all this other shit. Yo, jump down in warp PP. Can you see me?
Yeah, I'm here.
My armor is screwed. Fuck.
Where are you?
Do you have a bow? Like, you know where we were, right?
Oh, yeah, okay, I'm coming.
Don't. Oh shit, he TP'd out, I think. What the fuck? What the hell happened? Is he hacking?
Wait, I'll TP to you, okay? 'Cause I don't know
Oh, never mind, he's here. Yo,
Step. Oh,
yes.
wait, I got it. Oh, dude, oh my god.
Oh shit.
This guy's hacking or something, I don't know. Oh my god. Where are
Oh, well.
you? You made five
Alright,
steps.
I'm gonna die. I swear. Alright, look. Fucking piece of shit! Get the fuck down! That's right. Get wrecked. Oh shit! No! Are you serious? Are you actually fucking kidding me? Okay, look. Alright, do you have a gapple?
No,
I'm gonna get the gapple.
I'll get a gapple. Oh, I can't even see chest, man. What the hell?
I know. Oh god, I'm ripped.
I'm dead. Oh! Dude, how many people were there? I'm coming back. Actually,
Alright, hurry the fuck up.
coming back. I'm coming back. I'm gonna get a gapple.
Alright, I don't have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I'm coming back. They have... Just please don't...
I got out. Yeah, hey mate. Holy shit, was he hacking?
Yeah, he was hacking.
I don't
I don't
fucking know, but like, okay, whatever. I didn't die, and I didn't really get anything. Oh, I got a Wither King leggings, and ooh, I think it's yours.
Oh, thanks. Oh, wait. Did I? Let me check. I think I saved some Wither King. Cause I killed someone and then I think I saved something. Let me check. Cause if that's so, then I didn't really lose it.
Alright, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that is all we have time for this episode, at least from my point of view. So I'll get to the Wither King set giveaway right now, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright guys, so I just did Chest Wild, which is pretty perfect for these giveaways. So I teleported here. I'll show the course in a sec. So as a tradition, I will put, oh shit, that's wrong. I'll put my kit in here. So, and you know, the first one to get here, gets the kit. So good luck to everyone, and the codes are on your screen. It's minus 8,070 and minus 7,213. So, oh, he just disconnected. But you can now see the codes on your screen. The first one to get here gets the chest, as I just said. I do this every episode for you who don't know. So, yeah. Good luck, and hope you enjoyed the episode. Bye bye.